Hello, I'm Bob Brown and I'm responsible for ROUSH Vehicle Operations. Vehicle Operations has been set up to control the quality of the vehicles that we assemble at ROUSH. We've set the operation up to mimic a mainstream OE plant, so we have three distinct areas. A final line, which you can see behind me, a pre-delivery area where we validate what we've built, and then a customer acceptance area. If we start with the final line, this is the area where we actually assemble the vehicle. Usually this involves taking parts off the vehicle and replacing them with high performance parts. When we move off the final line area, we move into pre-delivery. And as I said, pre-delivery is where we validate what we've built, put the vehicle through its paces and prove that what we've changed has been assembled correctly. From there we move into customer acceptance, and this is where we look at the vehicle from the customer's perspective. So we're looking at it as you'd look at a vehicle in a showroom. It's not a technical look, it's a customer look. So three different sets of eyes, building, validating and accepting the vehicle for sale. Well, here we are at Station 0 on the Nitemare truck line. This is the staging station. This is where we start the process with a standard base 5.4 F-150. This is the body and trim station, and in this station we get a rear spoiler. We remove the seats and they go to our trim department to be retrimmed in leather. We fit a hood scoop, a front valance, and we put a new grille on. Station 2 is the chassis station. In this station we swap out the rear axle, we put a lower ratio axle in to improve acceleration. We swap out the springs and the shocks on the rear, and on the front we swap out the strut assembly. The standard brakes carry over, but we also change the roll bar. So we've got a stiffer bar, stiffer springs and shocks that are tuned to work with those springs. Next station is powertrain teardown. Basically we remove the standard inlet manifold. We take out the spark plugs, we remove the injectors, and we modify the wiring to accommodate the supercharger, which is fitted in the next station. In this station we finish the powertrain assembly, the supercharger goes on, and we fill the vehicle with fluids. And then finally in the graphics station we fit the unique Nitemare decals. I'm Bob Brown, thanks for stopping by ROUSH Vehicle Operations.